I've been watching you. Yo, it's Jay. Back at it again. It's Jay and Hafid.
Yeah.
And
Hafid.
That's Habsh's brother. That's Habsh's little brother. Well, my little brother as well, because we're family, innit? Huh? How? So yeah, we was waiting for this nigga. This nigga turned up too late. Yeah. Anyway, we are going to the beach today. So we decided that. Day out kind of thing. Let's go. So today we are going, like right now we're going to the beach, and before we hit the beach I'm gonna go get my little brother because I haven't seen him since I came back from UK. So I'm gonna go get my little brother right now. Alright, see ya. It's me and my blood Z. Yeah, we out here with Bajaji now. Bajaji, that's the name. You have to know. What? Tuk tuk. Yeah, tuk tuk. But it's Bajaji here, innit? Like, we're not in India, so we can't call it tuk tuk. It's me and my niggas. Why so serious though? Get to know, blood. Get to know. This is our Tanzania. Going. Hey man, it's long journey still. So, this channel is ours, like ours all, innit? Like, but obviously, the funny bit is, yeah, is that these niggas, they don't speak. Yo. So these guys are letting me speak, so if you guys have questions as to why they don't speak, just save your questions, innit? Like,
because we don't know English.
but yeah, he spoke. So even though, like, if you get... Let me speak. If you guys... If you guys got any questions as to why these men don't speak, save them, because they're not gonna answer it. They're not gonna say anything. It's only me. I don't know why. That's what you get. But yeah, look at all the green. The grass ain't greener on the other side. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The grass ain't greener on the other side. Is that how it's said? No. Oh yeah. The grass ain't greener on the other side. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The grass ain't greener on the other side. Oh yeah. Apa Jeshini? This is the army, isn't it? Obviously, I'm recording when the army is like. I'm gonna get killed.
I don't wanna wait in vain.
Good. That's the only part you know. I don't know what song he was singing. Wait! Did you see cows? I saw cows. So cows are mad, they are big. This is one beach. This is kama gani? Shwari. Makaburi kabisa. The guy was pissed because I was recording a minute. Hello! Ah, there's another beach. This beach is called Tanzanite Beach. Okay, Tanzanite. No, beach. Beach. Don't say beach.
What is the difference?
Right.
What is
Do you know what beach
Right.
is? No, let me tell you.
Wait, what is the difference between beach and beach?
Beach is wet and beach is your mom. Well, not your.
No!
That burns!
It does.
Scuba scuba whatever. Shout out to Zena, my girl, Anezilita. Y'all need to follow her. Anezilita, shout out to her because they have a street named after their family. Scuba Street. But yeah, we're going home right now. This is my way home to my mom's house.
This place is haunted. It is.
Don't say
Look at all this.
But it's a cemetery. It's
Look at
not
all
haunted.
this.
The cemetery is not
Look at all
haunted.
this. It's haunted.
It's a cemetery, fam.
Trust me, guys. It is haunted.
It's not haunted. Oh yeah, another place. Shout out to Zena again. Oh yeah, Anezilita. Y'all need to follow her. Y'all need to follow my little sister Anezilita.
Baby, it's forever. Somebody gotta save her. I don't know. Let's go. That you fed up. I wanna hold that level. Guess she only fucked you over cause you let her. Fuck yeah, guess you didn't.
Really
know
now?
better. Yeah, that man didn't show any effort. Do all I can just to show you special.
Okay.
Okay.
Down.
They say he's the killing the vibe. Gotta be sick of this guy. Pull up the skirt.
Down.
Not
Down.
yet, man.
Oh, okay.
Light up a spit finger high. Surely you deserve a true amazing. It must be tripping. Let's go. Down.
Down. Journey home.
What is your home radio?
We're going, innit? Like, chill, man, chill. This journey has ended. Oh, mpe 1500. This journey has ended. Wait, where's that money?
It's 500. Give me 1,000.
I had a 2,000, you know.
No.
Wait, I've got 1,000 here. Take that. Fam, take one money. Don't take every money. Oh, boy. Look at this.
So guys,
This is where my mom lives. Yeah, that's my house. Yeah. Yeah, I'm a mama's boy.
Mama's boy.
I'm a mama's boy. Yes, I love it. I love being a mama's
And
boy.
he's not shy about it.
I'm not shy about being a
And that's
mama's
nice.
boy.
I'm the
Yes.
last one in my family.
I'm the second born.
And the only boy.
I'm the every boy.
What?
I'm the second born. But I don't care. I'm a mama's boy. My
I'm
mama
the
loves
fourth
me.
and
My
the
mama
last.
loves me, and I love her back because there's nothing more
Like a mother.
like a mom, like a mother, not a mom, a mother, because she goes through everything for you. Shout out to all the mums in the world. Shout out to your mum, the one that you're watching right now. So shout out to your mum. Shout out to your mum's mum, because she's a mum as well.
And your mom's
Even though
mom
she's
is
your
mum.
grandma, and her mum as well, your great grandma. So shout out to them because yes. But yeah, no lie though. Shout out to all the dads because we are gonna be dads. Like his girl is pregnant. My girl,
My girl's not pregnant.
she's pregnant.
She's not.
She's pregnant.
She's not.
She's pregnant, and it's another nigga's baby.
Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you.
Yay! We're reaching home. Home, baby.
I'll be sick of this guy. Pull up the skirt.
Let me show you my key.
Look at this key. Nigga.
Yo, nigga. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Are you recording?
Ma. Ano ya? Ma, ayo kok. Ayo kok, John. Nah. Ambil nih.
Oh guys, back on the journey, yeah. We didn't get to see my mom because she's feeling a bit tired today, and I didn't want to put her on camera because she was sleeping, and yeah, so it felt kind of inappropriate, like to just barge in and like put her on camera. So now it's another journey to my dad's house to get my little brother. And then beach. Stay put. What's up? Yo! Why are you not swimming? Why are you not swimming?
Okay. Dive, my nigga. What was that? What was that? What was that? Okay, I'm going in now. Water. Check this, yeah. I'm about to have a race, me and Hafiz. Till racing from here to there and back. Let's see who wins. Done. Yo, it fell off. You lost. By the way, I won that race because we repeated again. We did a rematch, innit? Like
We did not.
we did a rematch, and I won.
He's lying. Why the
Fam,
fuck
they
you
saw
lie?
they saw everything.
My pants fell off.
What pants?
This.
That's because you don't have a waist. See the people I'm dealing with. But anyway,
We are done for the day.
our day is done. We are off. Wait, I think I'm forgetting something. We forgot something.
Why we forget?
Where's my little brother? Oh yeah, he's in there. You can't see him because he's far away, innit? But yeah, I've got my little brother. So yeah, we're done for the day. There's some other crew that came here.
Yeah, and we know them.
Those are my bros, my friends, our friends. But yeah. Alright. Bye.